Imagine this, your ultimate outdoor sanctuary, embraced by the sleek and contemporary design of Vantage Glass houses and verandas. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's about upgrading your lifestyle. With a Vantage Glass house, you can seamlessly merge the indoors with the outdoors. Our glass houses create a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor living. Enhance your evenings with integrated LED lighting options, creating a cosy and inviting atmosphere. Choose quality, choose style, choose Vantage. Your dream glass house awaits. Vantage, redefine indoor-outdoor living. Contact us today for a free, no obligation quote.